to my trading channel. Yesterday I given swing trading level for Jubilee Food. The level was 1561 and 1516. Let's see how it's performed. Yesterday market is open here. This level above our buy. This level above buy and this level below sell. 1561 above buy and 1516 below sell. But today it's a range bound. Market is moved inside that range. It didn't break 1561 or 1516. So you can watch these stocks today also. If Jubilee Food open in between this level, if it's break again this level, there's a chance to go up. If it's break below this level, it will be goes down because it's a range bound yesterday. That's why. Okay. So let's move to today's stock. Today I just picked Castrol India. Yesterday it showed a good movement, so I'm just going to find the decision point of Castrol India today. This is manual decision point. Swing high and swing low. This is swing high. Okay, we got a buy level. Okay, 145.85 above buy. Next. $139.65 below sell. So buy above 146 and sell below 139.65. So this is the call today. Castrol India buy above 146 and sell below 139.65 as per decision finding tool. If market is open in between this level, you just watch the breakout. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmiller.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.